Hi, I'm Alex and I want to show you today my efficient solution for online streaming high-res quality audio in my car. Some of you might know my car through my YouTube channel and my Salzburg EMA finals competition since the last 2 years. If you want more details regarding this setup, please let me know in the comments down below. But today is about the streaming of my music. It's a solution that no one used so far since I know, but I only saw one guy in America, I think, that he tried using a Wiim streamer in his car. So that one clicked my ideas and said, why not build it in my car as well? So let me show you what it's all about. In this armrest, I built an enclosure for the Wiim Pro Plus streamer. This is a household used streamer, but the best thing is that it's connected, charged with the external battery. So it's 5 volt, so I can use a battery, and it uses Ethernet cable. So this one I have it plugged to this Netgear router. It's a 4G router. Connected with a wire because I don't want to use wireless. Both of them can be charged with the external battery, so I don't use the car's electricity, which is for audiophile purposes is very good. So yeah, this one I connected with optical, either coax or RCA cables in my DSP. Let me show you in the back. Of course, I know that the best sound and the best quality is the one that you have downloaded with high resolution DSDs and whatever, but you don't always find this music, new music or other recordings that you can download, so you need to stream it. And for me, the best option was to have this Wiim Pro Plus connected to my DSP Goldhorn P2 DSP Pro. And it works flawlessly. It's very good. I can have AirPlay 2, Tidal Connect, Spotify Connect, YouTube, all the streaming services. The new products that I saw from Wiim don't use AirPlay 2, so it's a no-no for me. But this one, very good DAC. And the best, since I remember I tried coax and RCA, the best connection for me was the RCA that I'm going to connect as well. Now I'm waiting for the cables to plug it in, but yeah, so hopefully this helps you as well. Yeah, you might say that a tablet in the front will work as well, but in my case I tried a couple of them, listened in other cars, wasn't very satisfied. This one works very good. I have the playlist on my phone, so I can only stream them very easily. So yeah, I'm very satisfied. Yeah, hopefully it will help you as well. So let me know in the comments down below if you like it or not. Cheers.